Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. It's a channel on the youtube.com website whereby we use CAD to problem solve. So CAD means computer aided design, and my name is Mr. Hugh. Now we will be using the AutoCAD software to produce mechanical drawings, building drawings, engineering drawings, and technical drawings using the software AutoCAD. Now we'll be also presenting different features and uses of the AutoCAD software. The purpose of this channel is to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. As a result, we need your participation. So please remember to subscribe to the channel and like the different videos which are posted on the channel named CAD with Mr. Hugh. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.